The health benefits of DIM. DIM is a natural chemical which comes from leafy greens such as kale, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower and cabbage. The full name is Diindolylmethane and is a super concentrated phytonutrient that can be used to help detoxify the body. You can purchase this in capsule form and take as a daily supplement for a great range of different health problems, especially balancing hormones. Let's take a look at 15 facts and benefits of taking DIM daily. 1. Detoxification. Nowadays, our bodies are exposed to all kinds of toxins and chemicals from the environment, such as heavy metals, pesticides, GMO foods, cleaning products and pollutants. These can cause damage to our bodies over time, leading to hormone imbalances and many health problems. DIM helps the liver to break harmful chemicals down and expel them from the body. 2. Hormone balance. The main use for DIM supplements is to help restore hormone balance for both women and men. DIM helps to remove bad estrogens from the body and raises the balance of good estrogens. It also blocks aromatase, an enzyme which converts testosterone into estrogen. 3. Menstrual health. Women who suffer with heavy periods, painful PMS and cramps often have too much estrogen in their bodies. Taking DIM on a regular basis helps the liver to filter out excess estrogen and bring your monthly cycle back into balance. 4. Prostate health. As men get older, they tend to have higher amounts of estrogen in their bodies, which can lead to prostate enlargement and a higher risk of cancer. Eating lots of cruciferous vegetables and taking DIM can reduce the risk of prostate enlargement and BPH by preventing androgens from being converted into estrogen. 5. Weight loss. When we absorb toxins, they tend to mimic estrogen hormones, which signals to the body to store more fat. DIM helps to remove these xenoestrogens, making you less likely to form new fat cells. Men and women with estrogen dominance tend to have more fat around the hips, thighs and face. DIM also helps to stimulate the burning of fat cells and also helps you to digest dietary fat by increasing bile secretions from the liver. 6. Muscle growth. If you are working out and trying to build muscle, taking DIM daily can help by keeping testosterone levels high. Testosterone is important for both men and women to support healthy muscle growth, heart health, mental health and bone strength. DIM blocks aromatase from converting all of your healthy testosterone into estrogen. 7. Menopause. More and more women are taking DIM to help manage the symptoms of menopause. By supporting the liver and removing toxins, DIM helps to protect your glands, especially the thyroid. This can reduce hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, brain fog and breast tenderness that occurs during menopause and perimenopause. 8. Cystic acne. Many people suffer with cystic acne, which is triggered by a hormone imbalance in the body. This is where pimples form on the skin which do not pop easily. If you suffer with this, then you may benefit from taking DIM regularly because it helps to balance out good estrogens, bad estrogens and androgens. 9. Skin health. By helping to detoxify harmful chemicals from the liver, DIM supports healthy skin and proper oil production. This has been shown to reduce oily skin by helping to regulate the sebaceous glands. We also recommend consuming lots of foods rich in vitamin E like avocados for healthy and youthful looking skin. 10. Gynecomastia. Many men suffer with man boobs, which is the formation of female breast tissue. This is a side effect of having too much estrogen in the body, especially if you consume lots of alcoholic drinks and sugary foods. DIM helps to fix this problem combined with a healthy weight loss routine. 11. PCOS. Many women suffer with polycystic ovary syndrome, which can lead to the growth of facial hair, difficulty getting pregnant, and irregular periods. DIM is one of the best natural chemicals to help with this issue. We also recommend consuming lots of leafy green cruciferous vegetables daily, which are rich in liver cleansing nutrients. 12. Thyroid health. People who suffer with thyroid disorders can consume DIM safely as an alternative to cruciferous vegetables. Eating large amounts of vegetables can sometimes irritate the thyroid and cause a flare-up in goiters and swelling. DIM offers an alternative solution to get some of the benefits of veggies without the risks associated with them. 13. Cancer risk. Although more research is currently required, early studies show that DIM can help to protect against ovarian, prostate, breast and colon cancers. By restoring proper hormone balance, the body is able to protect its cells from free radical damage to the DNA. 14. Side effects. You may notice detoxification symptoms when starting to take DIM on a daily basis. The body begins to break down toxins and start to balance hormones, which can cause symptoms like nausea, skin rash, headache, diarrhea, dark urine and brain fog. To reduce these symptoms, start by taking a low dose of 100 mg per day and slowly increase to 250 mg per day. Bodybuilders often take 400 mg a day to counteract testosterone supplementation. The initial side effects are short-lived as the body soon adapts. Detox symptoms will usually subside within 1 to 2 weeks. 15. Caution. If you are undergoing any hormonal therapies or have cancer, DIM may interact with common medications. Always consult a healthcare professional before taking herbal supplements. As you can see, DIM is a fantastic supplement when it comes to balancing hormones, fighting estrogen dominance, and detoxifying the liver. To learn more about balancing hormones, please select our Hormone Balance playlist at the end. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.